Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff. Sometimes I like to exercise, you can probably tell, so I decided to install this Perfect Pull-Up bar. Here's how I did it. Step 1. Find a drill bit the right size for the screws. Hold the drill bit in front of the screw and eyeball it. You want a bit that is the same size as the shaft of the screw, not including the threads. I held the bar up to the door frame. It already fits my frame, but if you need to, you can adjust the width by loosening the black set screws with an Allen wrench. I held it up to a height that's comfortable, where I can grip the bar and not hit the door frame with my hand. Then I placed the J-bracket against the door jamb with the open side outward, and I marked the top hole of the bracket with a pencil. I drilled a pilot hole on my mark, and then drove a screw into it through the J-bracket using an impact driver. And I drilled a pilot hole and drove the second screw through the bracket. I measured how far the bracket was from the top of the door jamb, 1.5 inches, and installed the other one the same height from the top. I set the bar into the brackets. Then while it was hanging there, I placed the arm pivot into the slot and raised it up as high as possible. I drilled through the bottom hole in the arm pivot and drove a screw in. Then I repeated the process on the other side. Then I removed the bar and drove in the top screws on each side. I put the bar back on and I was ready to get pumped. I could totally do more than 2 pull-ups, but I tried to keep this video short. So this install was pretty fast and easy, and now I can do some exercises whenever I come upstairs to my room. Don't be surprised if I'm covered in giant muscles in my future videos. Thanks everyone for watching, and please like and subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Bye.